In today's video, let me show you how to use the GCash for international transfer. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, transferring payments internationally within GCash is quite easy, and with the new feature or the new option launched, which is the international transfer, makes it even more easier. So depending upon your case, you should be able to see the option called international transfer being displayed. If it is straight away not visible, head over to the view all option, and there you should be able to view the option called international transfer. If it is not available, you can head over to the transfer. Sometimes it may also be available just within the transfer section. Now within this option, you simply need to select your destination, which means the targeted country, the country that you're trying to transfer to, and then enter in the currency, the transaction type, and the total amount that you're trying to transfer. Secondly, what you also need to do is add in the recipient's info, which includes the legal name, the international bank name, as well as the account number that they have provided. As soon as you do that, and as soon as you tap on pay, the delivery would be made the same day or the next day, depending upon the few situations. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.